cabin again. 4th of July. Start before. We're gonna put the stones in now. See, we got them in our wagon. I'll get back at it with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, working on the path. We don't got much done over here, but we are making it nice over here. We're trying to restore this stoned cement over here. And then we're gonna fill in some of those stones. And we'll show you the end of that in a bit. And then we took some cinder blocks. Dad took cinder blocks and lined them up like an aqueduct. The water will flow through their holes, and then, yep, and this is our path to the cabin. Alright guys, signing off for now. Alright guys, 4th of July, just cut the lawn. We're now restoring this. Next week we're probably going to restore that. But so far, this is what we've got restored. We're restoring this, and then we made a little path down there. And then I just lined those all up. Cleaned all that brick area off. A bit more. Cut the lawn again. Cut it over there. Put that wishing well thing on there. On the well. And the roof is all done up, almost done. Alright, now also we got that chimney pipe fixed. Alright, now I'm gonna show you 534 one.